Day, and this, this represents something of a national moment to cheer and applaud, because our expectations are so low and our experience has been so grim, to see the parties come together, to see the chambers come together, do some of the basics of government. We shouldn't have to make a big thing about this, but in the reality of the modern world, it's good to hear some functioning, some coming together.
Isn't it terrible that we have to applaud that the government looks like it's gradually becoming functional? But that's what this agreement means. This agreement, if it were an agreement that we could cheer about, it would be an agreement that got rid of the sequester altogether. Because after all, we had agreed upon 10-year timelines to very, very severely reduce the deficit. Sequester was not even a bill. It was something no one intended. So what have we got?
A poison pill never meant to be consumed.
and drank it. So what have we got here? We have some relief, 50%. We have some relief from the first year, and some relief from the second year of sequester. But then we're going to have to start all over again to make sure the rest of the sequester. Remember, these are just across the board blind cuts that target everything, the good and the bad. So that of course is good. Now the appropriators, for the first time in 3 years, will get to actually appropriate some money, and we don't know what that means. Because we have a budget line, the House and Senate will get together, they work off of the same numbers, but that doesn't tell anyone out here how much they're going to get. By January the 15th, they're supposed to have something done. Doubtful they can do it by then, so we might have a short-term congressional resolution anyway, at least for some of the appropriations. Now, that congressional resolution for some of the appropriations mean you're still spending at last year's budget. That also works its own kind of chaos, because you're not able to go ahead and engage in new programs, even if you have the money for them. For the district, we're in far better shape because I was able to negotiate to let the district out to spend its own money, thank you very much, for the entire fiscal year. So we're not in that part of it at all.